Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a box of apple juice. So basically, so to make a challenge, you can turn this on because it's pretty easy, right? If you want to get better and learn how to do it faster, yeah, you just turn this on, and now you um, you take this off. Okay, that's already off. Then you take this out. You can do it with one hand even. Look, one hand. You try to pull the plastic off, and now you have to straighten it, pull it, then pop that in. Yeah, and that's basically done. Now you just put the pan on here. Now you cook it now. So that's that. That's the apple juice. Oh, okay. That wasn't meant to happen. And you drink it. Very good. 5 stars, like croissant, like a French chef would say, obviously. Now I'm gonna have to clean this pan. I didn't want to clean it, but apple juice went in there. But yeah, it's very good. I recommend apple juice. I'm not advertising this brand. I mean any apple juice. Out of the box as well, pretty good. So yeah, have fun. I hope now you know how to open a box, even with the challenge. And yeah, bye.